After we open the Word apps, I choose the blank document. After that, I go to design and page color and decide which color that I want, and I decide to have a soft pink color, and then I go back to insert and add text box but in a shape rectangular. I add this to write down the title, which is my title of this poster is Retro Science Field Trip. I adjust the font and the size of the font. And the paragraph I choose to be in the middle. I also bold for the font. Then I add another shapes, which is I choose a square. I choose white color. Then I add another one shape. I add this shape to put a picture inside, which is I go to shape fill and then I choose the picture that I want from my laptop. And this is the picture that I choose, which is a dinosaur world inside the Petro Science. Next, I go to insert and insert another shape. This one also, I add the shape to put the picture inside. I go to add picture and choose the picture inside my laptop. I adjust the size and the position. I also adjust the shape outline, which is I choose it for to have no border, which is no outline, so it will be transparent like this. Next, I add another shape. I adjust the color, which is the soft nude color. This box is for me to the write down the highlight of our trip. Next, I use the bullet point to write down the highlights of our field trip to Petroscience. After that, I adjust the paragraph and the color of the font of highlight, and then also the size font and the font style for this highlight, and I adjust the shape. After that, I add another shape to put the picture to make my poster more interesting, and adjust the position and size also. I add another shape to write down the location, which is Petrol Science the Discovery Center, Surya KLCC. And then, like usual, I will adjust the font style and the font size. I also adjust the color to be more pop out. Next, I add the picture of the location, so that people will be more alert about the location. Next, I use copy and paste to having a same and exact size of the rectangle, because I want to make it exactly like the first that I did. So I just copy and paste for both rectangle that I already used before. For this one, I just changed the picture inside that from the dinosaur to a new picture inside my laptop, inside my file. The picture that I choose is for a sport F1 car that have inside the petrol signs. I also copied the same design to make it pop up like this and adjust the position. Next, another shape will be added. This one is for the fun facts for the field trip to petrol signs. I also use the bullet points to make it more easier to understand and straightforward. As usual, I will adjust the font style and the font size. I also adjust the font color and then the background color to make it more pop up and easier to read. Next, I add the admission, which is the ticket for admit to the Patriot Science, which is adult is 20 and child is only 12 ringgit. I add some word that can attract people, which is learning science is more fun when it hands on. Then I add the background. This one I choose to be a transparent background, and I choose a different font style. After finish with all the words and the color and the font color and font style, I add the additional icon for this poster to look more interesting and more fun. And then I put another things like want to be like shining. I go to insert and I add shape and choose this shape, which is it's like a shining effect. Then I choose a color which is white to make it more pop up, and I delete the outline and it will become like this. So I just copy, since I already do one, so I just copy and paste to get the exact same size, and I just put where that I want it to be. I also put some additional icon, which is I will insert the shape, and then I choose the shape fill to my picture, and then I remove the outline. After finish with organizing all of this, and this is the final. I go back to peach color and decide to have this peach color, background peach color, and because I think this one is suit better, and all the things, if it will look like more pop up. So this is the finalize of my poster.